Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can record vertical videos using the Sony a6400 camera. So if you're a YouTuber or a TikToker who makes a lot of vertical videos, then you can use this camera to record vertical videos as well. Anyways, let's begin the video. Here I have the Sony a6400 camera. As you can see, first of all we're going to power on the camera. Once the camera is powered on, make sure that the camera is in video mode. So for that, from the top dial we are going to rotate it until we select this option, basically, which is the movie mode. Now once in the movie mode, you can see the screen as it is. So now what you're going to do is that on the dial where you see display, you're going to click on it once, again and again, once more, and you're going to see this level. It's not mandatory, but it helps you and guides you a lot when recording vertical videos. Now in order to record vertical videos using this camera, you have to do nothing. Just hold your camera in vertical position as I'm doing right now. So you can place it on a tripod with a ball head gimbal most probably, or a ball head, and it will work. So here I have it in the vertical orientation, and when I want to record, I am going to click on this record button. So here you can see it is recording and it is in vertical mode right now. When I want to stop it, I am going to stop the recording, and now if I click on the basically gallery button, here you can see the video, and you can see basically it is in vertical mode. So if I play it right this way, you can see it has actually recorded it in vertical orientation. So this is how simple it is to record videos in vertical mode using the Sony a6400 camera. If you're interested how you can do the same, if you have the Sony ZV-E10, then I have already made a video. Boxes will appear right now. Anyways, if you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.